What's up, guys? I'm Dan Langan, and this is Dan Can Bake It, where every week Food Network is throwing me a crazy cake challenge that I've got to pull off. I have a new clue here, a new box with a new challenge inside. It's really in there. Oh my God! So that looks perfect. It's all about keeping that sharp top edge, keeping everything squared off. I think it looks super cool. The beauty of this entire nearly naked finish is in its imperfection. So you kind of just have to embrace the imperfection and go with it. It's like you're a kid eating a slice of birthday cake.